Hi there, welcome to the BRIT application process. BRIT website, apply now. You can apply on our website by clicking on Courses, Apply Now. You'll be given the option to apply for Key Stage 4 or Post 16. You'll be taken to the BRIT application website. Click OK. Click on the Start Form button. Please start the initial registration process. Please fill in the applicant's forename, surname, gender, date of birth and year group applied. Please enter your current school name. Please enter the applicant's email address. Please create a password for your applications account. Please tick I agree on the policies and click on Start your application. Activate your email address and start your application. Click on OK. Please navigate to your inbox, click on the admissions email and click on the Confirm your email address link. Please click on Update. Applicant's basic details. Please upload an applicant's photo. Please choose the school year on entry, the year group applied for, what year you will be in your current school in September, which strand you're applying for. Title, forename, surname, preferred names and middle names for the applicant. Please enter a preferred gender. Please enter your postcode and find your address in the list. Please enter the local educational authority covering your home address. Please enter your ethnicity, country of birth, nationality and religion. Please let us know if you're applying from overseas. Please let us know that you've been a resident in the UK for the last 3 years. Please let us know that you currently hold a British passport. Please confirm your student email address. Please confirm the applicant's mobile number. Please confirm your mobile phone number again, and to add any additional numbers, click on Add Phone, choose the type and please enter the number. Please add any language abilities by clicking on the Add Language Ability button, typing in the language, clicking Save. You can repeat this process for any additional languages. Click Save and Next. Parent and carer contact details. Next, you'll be able to add parent and contact details. Click on the Add Parent Guardian Contact button. Please type in the relationship to the child, the title, the forename, the surname. Please add the legal responsibility, whether there is a court order, whether this contact should receive school reports, whether the contact should receive school correspondence. Please enter the parent's email twice. Lives at the same address as the student, you can tick same address as student. Please enter the parent's mobile number. Once adding all the numbers, you can click on the Save button to save the parental details. Add another parent or guardian, click on the Add Parent or Guardian Contact button. Give a relationship to the child, a title, a forename, a surname, parental responsibility, a court order, school reports or correspondence. Please enter the parent's email address twice. If the parent lives at a separate address, please enter the postcode in the box and find your address. Please enter the parent or guardian's mobile number. You can add any additional numbers by clicking on the Add Phone button. Finished, click on the Save button. Add any additional contacts in the Add Additional Contacts button. Please give a relationship to the child, a title, a forename, a surname. Please add the contact's mobile phone number. Click on the Save button. Please add the priority for each contact, whether they're a primary contact, a secondary contact, or whether they've received school communications. Click on Save and Next. Applicant's welfare and support information. Please provide the information whether the applicant has any additional educational needs. Let us know if the applicant is a looked after child. Applicant's school history. Please enter the applicant's current school, date started at that school, please provide your current school's office or admin email address. Please include any subjects that you're studying at your current school. List any qualifications or awards already gained. Please let us know if you're being currently homeschooled. Let us know if your current school is an independent school and whether your school is outside the UK. Please upload any school reports, attendance reports or tutor reports. Save and next. Additional information and strand questions. Please answer the strand questions available to the best of your ability. Once finished, please answer the additional questions. Please let us know how you intend to travel to school and how far it is from home. Please let us know how you heard about us. Click on Save and Next. Parental agreement and consent. Please let us know if you consent to the following. Please add the applicant's signature. Please add the parental signature. On Save and Next. Submit your application. When finished, click on the Save and Submit Application button.